Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your crypto assets? In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to import your BullX wallet into the Phantom wallet seamlessly. This process will ensure you can manage your assets efficiently and securely. So let's dive right in. Step 1. First, ensure you have access to your BullX wallet. If you're not the early access list, wait for the approval. Once approved, log into the BullX online trading platform using Telegram for authentication. From there, navigate to the settings, export your private key, make sure download it securely. It will be saved as a text file in your downloads folder. Step 2. Now that you have your private key, let's move to the Phantom wallet. If you don't have it installed yet, check out your previous video on how to create Phantom wallet, link in the description. Once you have Phantom open, log in and click the accounts button at the top left. You'll see your current account listed. Step 3. To import your BullX private key, go to settings, then select manage accounts, click on add/connect wallet and choose import private key. Here's where it gets crucial. Give your new account a name for easy identification. Now open the text file containing your BullX private key. Highlight it and copy it. Return to Phantom, paste your private key into the designated box and hit the import button. Voila! Your BullX account is now integrated into your Phantom wallet. And there you have it. You have successfully imported your BullX wallet into Phantom. This process not only secures your assets but also gives you access to manage them across different platforms effortlessly. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay tuned for next video where we explore more features of the Phantom wallet. Happy trading!